watching Tony R619
Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Tony back with another video. I got a Chronicles bots. We're hoping to add more rookie cards to the all rookie first team right there. Some good rookie cards. So wish me luck. You guys know what's in it. Wish me luck. Let's open this up. This is a hanger bot. Still haven't pulled a hit out of this. I've seen a lot of people pull some really cool hits. I just haven't been lucky. There's the pack, 30 cards. Oh, we got, it looked like it was a thick card, but it's not. All right. I thought it was a thick card, it's just a whole bunch of cards stick, kind of together. All right, wish me luck, guys. All right. The exclusives are the green parallels in this product, in the hanger boxes, and also the classics. All right, we got Miles Turner, Eric Gordon, we got Kevin Love, Colin Sexton rookie card. We got Mike Conley. What team is he now on? I forgot what team he's on. Draymond Green, Russell Westbrook, now with Houston, Joel Embiid. All right, here are the classics. We got Wendell Carter Jr., which I didn't have, so pretty cool. We got Miles Bridges, and then we got Jalen Brunson. All right, so those were exclusives. We got a green parallel of Clint Capella. We got a Michael Porter Jr. Did you see the buff man? He got a 101 of his. The buff man. Aloha, my friend. All right. And then we got Wendell Carter Jr. again. Elite. We have Jerome Robinson. Marquee. We have Dante DiVincenzo from Essentials. Then we have, ooh, nice, a green Luka. Very cool. Green Luka from Essentials. And I didn't have him in Essentials. Now I got him in Essentials and I got a green parallel. So cool. Zaire Smith, Chronicles. Ooh, nice. DeAndre Ayton for Crusade. I didn't have this either. Nice. Now we're rolling. Now we're rolling. Dante DiVincenzo, Luminance. We got Chandler Hutchinson from Playoff. Jalen Brunson from Luminance. We have Miles Bridges, Panini. Omari Spellman, Playoffs. Gary Clark, Luminance. Another Luka Doncic. Nice. I'll take it. Or like Adam Haas says, I will take it. Josh Okogie. DeAndre Ayton. Nice. Another Ayton. So we got two Aytons and two Lucas. And then we got Bruce Brown. And our last one is Jerome Robinson. So not bad. Not bad. We got two Lucas, two Aytons. I love this green one. And focus it. Love it. Awesome. Two Lucas right here. Nice. All right, so there you have it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless. See you guys.